LSTM. Last chance to win, guys. Wrong answers only. LSTM. Dogra says, "Yup, I am a comedian." Nice. Oh, Yassine. Yassine coming in strong. Let's settle this madness. Nice. Nice. I love that entry. I love that entry. Laser Seagulls take Manhattan. Okay, we gotta do that one in ChatGPT. Come on. Laser Seagulls take Manhattan. Let's see what that comes up with. That's hilarious, Patrick. LSTM is the current word, guys. Look at that picture. Isn't that a great picture? That's a hilarious picture, guys. And they got Manhattan right, too. I'm looking at the building locations. The building locations look pretty good, yeah. Because you got the Empire, that's One World Trade down there. You got the Statue of Liberty over here. So yeah, this is an accurate picture. Yeah, that's actually a pretty good picture of Manhattan. And look at these seagulls. Look at this seagull over here. This seagull would have to be like 50, 60 feet tall, maybe taller, to be on top of the building like that. That's hilarious. Casual economist. You know what? You're right, Casual. I'm tempted to just stop it now. Like, there's no need for other entries. That's hilarious. Lobster smoothies thoughtfully mixed. Okay. Deadlord, you must be really hungry if you're considering lobster smoothies. I mean, that's a unique choice of food, my friend. Casual says, "Wow, that pick is awesome." It is a cool pick, isn't it? I'm gonna put that in the Discord. I think people would enjoy seeing these in the Discord. That's hilarious. Lions sing to monkeys. Nice. Let's do that one. Lions sing to monkeys. All right, LSTM. See, you know what, Patrick? I don't think people want to contribute anymore because you killed it with that solid entry. That was such a good entry. Good picture, too. So people might just be saying, nah, Patrick's won that round. Let's stop tainting Musk. All right. Well, you know what, Rahul? This is our last one, so you're going to get your wish, okay? You may call me Tim, says Lost. Let me know more, Tim. Patrick says amazing, yeah. Now, what do you guys think about this one? The lion singing to monkeys. That's okay. You know, that's a cool pick. It's more of a roaring to monkeys here. And I was expecting more lions, but hey. All right, last call for LSTM. I think people are just saying, Patrick won. It was a solid entry, Patrick. Lime syrup tomato milkshake. I don't know if I'd be interested in that, but it's a good entry. All right, last call for LSTM, guys. Deadlord says, yeah, Patrick cooked. Yeah, it was a strong entry and a stronger picture. I mean, look at that picture, guys. You know what would be cool? I don't know if they do this in other countries, but like, you know, here in the US, you know, like when somebody had like a Jeep or like had like one of those cars that had like a spare tire on the rear end they would put like a cover in like a vinyl cover over the rear tire, and sometimes they'd put an image on it. What if you were like driving around and you saw one of those like cars with the tire, and the image was this image here with the laser seagulls? I mean, how crazy would that be, right? Uh, Casual Economist says you really can't beat laser seagull. I agree. There's no need for a vote. We're gonna declare Patrick our winner. Patrick says I just love the imagery. It is a pretty good image. ChatGPT did a good job with this one for sure. But yeah, so I'm going to declare Patrick the winner on that one for LSTM. What was it? Laser Seagulls take Manhattan. That's hilarious. It needs some American flags to be. Yeah, that's right. It should have some American flags with the America text all over and all that. All right, guys.